Hi, this is Luke A. with the PCT North America team, and in this video I will show you the complete integration process between PCT Agcloud and MyJohnDeere. It will include linking your accounts, setting organization permissions within MyJohnDeere, and setting auto upload and download. Begin by navigating to the My Settings page. Click on the John Deere tab and click Link User. If you're logged into your MyJohnDeere account in a separate tab, the accounts will be linked automatically. If not, you will be asked to log in a pop-up window. To check if the account's linked properly, click the Check PCT Access to John Deere Organizations button. A thumbs up icon will appear if the account's linked correctly. If the thumbs up icon does not appear, there may be some settings that need to be changed within MyJohnDeere. To set these organization permissions within MyJohnDeere, click the Manage Organizations at John Deere Operations Center button. This will take you to your Operations Center account. Confirm that the box is checked next to your organization and click Save. Then click the Manage button on the PCT Ag tile within Organization Connections. Click the Manage link within the pop-up. Then click Edit. Here you can set the access levels. It's recommended to set the permissions at the levels shown. When finished, click Save. Once the accounts have been linked and permissions have been set, you choose to turn on auto upload or download. To do this, navigate to the Setup tool. Click the Grower Editor drop-down. Click the Options button next to the grower, and click the Edit MyJD link button. Turning on auto download will authorize operation data to automatically flow into PCT from MyJohnDeere. Turning on auto upload will allow layers created within PCT to automatically flow into your MyJohnDeere account.